delighted to be here tonight to launch Barbancourt in the UK. Barbancourt has been making award-winning rums since 1862 in Haiti. Our unique distilling method, invented by our founder, Dupré Barbancourt, has been passed down from generation to generation. So we're using double distillation and also aging in French oak. We tend to have a lighter bodied rum, so we distill at a higher degree. I think that is one of our trademarks. We're definitely a legacy brand, a brand that has been in Haitian history for a very, very long time. We're really an embodiment of Haiti's rich culture, dating back from 1862 up to today. We've gone through a lot of Haitian turmoil, occupation, embargo, and the earthquake, and we're still here. We're a symbol of resistance as well for a lot of people.